Hi, today I'm reviewing Google Pixel 5a and I'll show you how to activate Quick Launch on this device. So if you wanna use the power key button, the double press the power key button to turn on, for example, the camera app, let's now just press the power key. We can see that we have no applied any options here. And if you want to use the power button to, for example, open the camera app, you should first open the settings and then scroll down to the system section. Then click to the gestures, click here quickly open camera section, and just to use this option, click once on the switcher. Now just by double press to the power button, we can see that the camera application successfully activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.